Arrived. Hello Kitty cafe over there. New York roller coaster. Woo! T-Mobile Arena. Then we're coming up on the Hello Kitty Cafe. We are checking in to the New York hotel. Let's go on inside and check into our room. You got multiple fantastic views. We are in the Century Tower. There's a lot of back and forth action. We are in room 1902 of the Century Tower. So let's get it on. When you come inside the room, there's some lovely art on the left side of the wall. Pretty small bathroom, I gotta say. Got your basic sink, hair dryer. Pretty nice shower. This is the Queen Deluxe View room. There is a lamp over here. Plug that I didn't find too good. It was really like loose and didn't work very well. A fantastic view of Excalibur, Tropicana, MGM Grand, and the roller coaster. Absolutely beautiful. This is the 2 Queen at New York, New York. Has some great storage. Safe. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and leave me a comment below. Have you ever stayed at the New York, New York? We really enjoyed our stay, and hope you will sometime too. Thanks for watching. Have a fantastic day.